Today we replaced the front windshield wipers on the 2015 Chevy Equinox. For Equinox 2010 through 2017, you will need a 24-inch blade for the driver's side and the 17-inch for the passenger side. For more details on these, see the Amazon link in the description. The factory clips have a unique way to lock them into the arm. To unlock them, simply press the square button on the top of the clip to release it. Then flip it up from the rear as far as it goes. Then swivel the top of the blade up and slide the blade away from the arm. Careful putting down the spring-loaded arm not to damage the windshield. The new blade comes with one slide clip already attached and also includes 3 other different clips you can choose from. None of them are like the factory clip we just removed. But this one that came clipped on the new blade will fit the wiper arm. After I install the passenger side, I will explain more how to choose the right one while doing the driver's side. So we lift the arm. Now we need to line up these 2 side prongs into the track in the wiper arm. I'll show a different angle when we do the other side. Once it's lined up in the track, push it in. The first clip is the 2 side pegs. The second click is the square button clicking into the square hole on the arm, which was not utilized with the old original we replaced. Give it a tug to make sure it's secure, and we go on to the driver's side to show a different angle and more explanation. With this side, I want to clearly show the square hole on the wiper arm that's not being used with the original wiper clips. As you see, there's nothing in the square hole. It has the old style that locks into place. If you have this style, watch how easy it comes off from this angle. To release it, simply press the square button on top of the clip. Then flip it up from the rear as far as it goes. Then swivel the top of the blade up and slide the blade away from the arm. The track can clearly be seen here. As mentioned earlier, the new blade comes with one of the 4 clips already mounted, which has a square lock that latches to the square on the wiper arm. To measure if it fits, just place it on the top edge and see if the square button lines up with the hole on the wiper arm. You can do the same with the other 3 that are included in the package if you have a different type. Now just line up these 2 side prongs into the track on the wiper arm. Once lined up in the track, push it in. First click is the 2 side pegs, and the second click is the square button clipping into the square hole on the arm, just like the other side, which was not utilized with the old original we replaced. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.